Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create animation from using Adobe Express and Canva. So you can try to search Adobe Express animation, and here animate your audio for free, and you can start now. And here you can choose your character that you want to create. For example, this one, Martin. And also you can choose your background here. For example, classroom. So we need to refresh this. We need to reload because it's broke. And here we go, Martin in the classroom. And you can choose a size, for example, for YouTube short. Here, after that, you can record your audio here. After you record, your voice or your sound is uploading, you have to wait the process. Now the video is complete. You can download your video here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.